Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Two Spears. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to tackle a very important subject in terms of how do we live life, and in terms of how can you make money. So the question is how can one make money? Okay, so it is not a philosophical question. However, it is a practical question. We have to ask yourself at some point, how do you make money? Okay, once you're able to pose a question, then you'll be able to come up with answers. So there are few ways to make money, especially in this marketplace, in this economy. So one way to make money is by providing services. Okay. So what I mean by that is, suppose you have skills, you are a mechanic, so you provide you repair people's cars. Okay, so you have a specific skill that allows you to provide services to people. By providing services to people, people will be able to pay you, and that's how you make money. And in order for you to be able to provide this kind of service, you have to acquire the skill. And there are a few ways to acquire the skill. Either you have to go to a professional school, where they can teach you how to do mechanics. Okay, that's one way. And the other way is, or you can teach yourself, which is autodidact, right? Autodidact, yeah. So you got to teach yourself. That's called autodidact. So these are few ways you can acquire the skills. Okay. So once you get the skills of repairing, then you'll be able to provide services. By providing services, people will be able to pay you, and you'll make money. So that's one way. The other way is, you can work for a company, okay, and the company will pay you. But the question that you have to ask yourself is, why the company will hire you? What's the purpose of hiring you from all the other people? So the purpose of hiring you is, they have a specific task that you will be able to execute. Okay, you have to have the specific skills that match the requirements of the job. So once you are matched with the requirements of the job, they judge that you are the best fit to execute this job. Okay, so we go back to the recurring theme is skills. So you have to have skills. Okay, so we have to go back to skills. You have to get skills in order for you to be able to provide, to be able to execute a specific job. And let's suppose, but the problem that I see is, a lot of young people, they do not have skills at all. Okay, and that's a problem. You have to learn how to do specific things. If you do not have the skills, it's very hard for you to move forward, or to be able to earn income, because we're going back to how you make money. How can you make money? But you have to have the skills, and the skill that allows you to provide services or to work for a company, then in return, either people or the company will pay you. Okay, so you have to get the skills. It's very important. Skills. Either you have to teach yourself, or you have to go to a specific school to learn how to do it. And you have, before you even go to school, you have to find out the requirements of the job. All right? If let's suppose you want to be a system administrator. A system administrator means somebody who takes care of the, in terms of the company's data, okay, the users. So he will be able to by getting into their software, be able to manage the users, the permissions, or so and forth. So if you want to be a system administrator, maybe this is maybe a little bit for I don't know. For a lot of people, they don't know what it means. But let's suppose you want to be a manager at a fast food, I don't know, at a McDonald's. So you have to ask yourself what kind of skill you need in order for you to be able to attain that position. So then you'll go and learn those skills. Okay? And the other problem that I see is some people are very desperate, and they say they want to just so have any job they want. No, this is not how you approach the marketplace. The way you approach the marketplace is you have to look at yourself. What can I offer to the company? Instead of always thinking what the company offer for me. And a lot of people, they make a lot of mistakes by always focusing on the salary. The salary is not important as much as the contribution that you can bring to the table. If you don't have the skills, they can pay you, but the salary is the byproduct of your exercising or executing the job. Okay? If you do not have the skills, how can you be able even to negotiate a better salary? So do not focus on the salary. Focus first on the skills and how can you contribute to the company so the company can move forward, can make more money. Then you will be an important part of the company. Then the company will be able to give you more money, and then you will move forward. Okay? And I see a lot of young people, they do not have the skills, and they are focusing on the money. Are you delusional? Okay? So get the skills first. Skills. If you do not have the skills, your ability to make money is very slim. So these are a few thoughts in terms of how you can make money and how you can go about it and get the skills. If you have a different perspective, you can comment, you can like it, and I'll see you in the next video.